We ready?
Yep, roll.
Okay, this video is about the 3 steps to get your LinkedIn profile ranking #1 in the search results. Number 1. Most important part when it comes to keywords on your LinkedIn profile is your headline. So what most people have in their headline is account director and then their company or business development manager or even CEO. And those phrases are not necessarily something that your customers might search for on LinkedIn. So what we want to do is put keywords in there that are relevant to your target audience. So the things that people might search for. So if you look at my LinkedIn profile, you'll find words like social media speaker, LinkedIn lead generation, LinkedIn training, things that people might actually search for when they're looking for the services that I offer. So if you're an accountant, you might want to put accountant in there. If you're in financial advice, you might want to put a financial advisor. The first place you're going to want to put those keywords is in your headline. Now there's 2 more spots. If you put them in all these 3 spots, you'll be ranking at the top of the search results on LinkedIn, and there's a good chance to be ranking on Google as well. So, number 2 is in your experience section. In your job experience section, you will also have headlines, and you want to follow the same principles as you do in your main headline. You want to have your job title using descriptive keywords. Make sure it's using the same keywords that you've used in your headline. Repetition is key here, guys, okay? Third and final place you want to put keywords on your LinkedIn profile is in your summary. Your summary is the blurb at the top of your profile where you explain who you are and what you do. If you put keywords in there and you put them in your headline and you put them in your job experience, you'll be ranking at the top of the search results on LinkedIn for those specific keywords. Give it a go and let me know how you find the results, because that's how you rank #1 on LinkedIn for key search phrases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment if you enjoyed the video.